Good morning, children. So, in the last class, we have came to know about the different properties, isn't it? So, the even 0 and 1 have a different concept in this property. So, what is the role of that 0 and 1? Let us discuss. Okay. So, 0 is called actually the identity for addition. Okay, not only for rational number, for all the types of numbers. Because, so you can observe that if you add 0 to any number, the value of that number will not be changing, isn't it? So, here on general rule I have taken a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, which is a. So, if a is whole number, if you are taking 6 plus 0, reverse it. 0 plus 6. What is the answer? 6 only. Isn't it? In the same way, any negative number you take. Minus 3 plus 0. What is the answer? Minus 3 only. So, it satisfies for whole number. It satisfies for integer. Even it satisfies for rational number also. Here I have taken a rational number minus 2 by 7 plus 0. Again, reverse it. Then also the number will be same only. So, that's why 0 is called as an additive identity. Okay. Now, let us discuss about the role of 1. How the 0 is playing an important role in addition. In the same way, 1 is also having its role in multiplication, not in addition. It plays a major role in a multiplication. What is that role? So, if you multiply 1 with any type of a number, so the product will be that number itself. What the number you have taken, that number itself. Okay. That's why 1 is called as a multiplicative identity. Okay. For all the type of numbers. So, here you can go with the example. 2 by 3 into 1. So, you will be getting 2 by 3 only. Is there any change in the number value? No. Okay, that is the thing. Now, we will go with the inverse. Inverse. Okay, that is also called as a negative of a number. So, for if you take any integer a, if the same number with a negative sign if you take, your answer will be 0. Okay. So, that's why a is the negative of minus a and minus a is the negative of plus a in that manner. Let us go with the rational number. 2 by 3 I have taken. So, 2 by 3 will be as it is. What you have to change? You have to change the sign. Minus I have taken. Take the LCM. 3 will be the LCM. 2 minus 2, 0 by 3 is nothing but a 0. So, that means by adding a negative of a number, your answer should be 0. Okay. So, that is the concept of negative of a number. So, next you will be getting a reciprocal. Here with the rational numbers, how the negativity comes, just I have given here. A by b plus minus a by b will be equal to minus a by b plus a by b, which is 0. Okay, so minus a by b is the additive inverse of a by b here. Clear? So this is the concept. Now reciprocal we will go. What is this reciprocal? So it is nothing but the one more name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. What is the one more name? Multiplicative inverse. If the given number is multiplied by its reciprocal, then the product will be 1. How you are getting here 0 as an answer? Here you should get 1 as a product you have to get. Okay. So, how you will be getting? If you take a by b is one rational number and you are multiplying with the c by d, the product will be 1. That time c by d is the multiplicative inverse of a by b. Okay, that is the concept here. Example here, you can take 2 by 3 if you are having, it should be multiplied by 3 by 2. That time 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2 6. 6 by 6 is 1. Now what is the final answer we are getting? 1 is the final answer. Okay. So by interchanging their positions, we will getting the reciprocal. Okay. So this is about a reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Now the last property is distributive. Distributive of multiplication over addition for rational numbers we will take. So generally what is the distributive law means A of B plus C will be equal to AB plus AC. Okay. Now we will solve with the rational numbers. I have taken 3 numbers, A as a minus 3 by 4, B as 2 by 3, C as minus 5 by 6. LHS part we will take. A of B plus C we will take. That is the thing. So A will be as it is. For 3 and 6 LCM will be 6. So 3 2s are, that's why 2 into 2 you are getting. 6 1s are, minus 5 into 1 you will be getting. So minus 3 by 4 as it is, 6 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are minus 5. Minus 3 by 4 as it is, 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 6. Now multiply. Minus into minus plus, 3 1s are 3, 4 6 are 24. You can cancel it by 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 8s are. So answer is 1 by 8. So LHS we got as an 1 by 8. Now what is the RHS part? AB plus AC. What is A? Minus 3 by 4 into AB means A into B. Into will be there. So B value is what? 2 by 3. Okay. Plus AC we should write. Again A is minus 3 by 4. C is minus 5 by 6. Now let us check out the product. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus minus. 4 3s are 12. Plus. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. 4 6 are 24. Now here for 12 and 24 LCM is 24. So if you divide 24 by 12, 2s it will go. That 2 should be multiplied with 6. So minus 6 into 2. 24 1s are 24. So 15 into 1. 6 2s are 12. 15 1s are 15. 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 by 24. Again if you cancel 1s are 8s are. You are getting 1 by 8. Now we can observe LHS is 1 by 8. RHS is also 1 by 8. Okay. So this satisfies the property. So we will move to the exercise children. Few exercise problems we will check it out. Okay. First exercise of the lesson. So using appropriate property find, they have given this. So whenever you are having a problem with different operations, you have to start from multiplication. Okay. So multiply here. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Okay. 5 by 2 will be as it is. Here also multiplication. 3 into 1 3, 5 6 are 30. Now all these are having a plus or minus sign. That's why what is the operation you have to perform? Actually you have to take the LCM and both addition and subtraction has to be done. Take the LCM for 15, 2 and 30. And 3 1s I cancel, 3 5s are, 2 will be as it is, 3 15s are. Again from 5 1s I cancel, 5 1s are, 2 will be as it is, 5 3s are. Multiply all these things. 3 into 5 into 2 into 3 you are getting 90. So LCM will be 90 here. Take 90. In 15 1s are 6 are 90. So minus 6 into 6. In 2 1s are 2 45s are 90. So 5 into 45. 33s are 90. So minus 3 into 3. 6 6 are 36. 45 5s are 225. Minus 3 3s are 9 by 90. So these two are negative. Add them. Minus 36 minus 9 is minus 45. This is 225. Subtract 5 minus 5 0. 12 minus 4 8. 1 will be left. So 180 by 90 you are getting. 0 0 will cancel. 9 1s are 9 2s are. So the answer is 2. Clear? Okay. Next we will move to the next problem. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. 2 by 8 and minus 6 by 5 they have given. So additive inverse means I already said by adding that you should get the 0 answer. Just change the sign. 2 by 8 as it is you have to write. Here it is plus, you have to write it as a minus. That's all. For second one, minus minus get cancelled. It is 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 is that means what you have to take? Minus 6 by 5 should be taken. Clear? Next problem. You have to verify minus of minus x is equal to x only, because minus into minus plus. Okay. For this value you have to check. So minus of minus, just check it out. You are getting the x value itself. Clear? Now the next problem is find the multiplicative inverse of the following. This is the first one, minus 13. How you are finding the multiplicative inverse for this? So reciprocal you have to take. For 13, what is the reciprocal? 1 by minus 13. Okay, just observe here. Minus 13 into 1 by minus 13. 13 get cancelled, answer will left will be 1. Okay. Now, the second one is just find the product first. 5 3 is a 15, minus into minus plus 8 7 is a 56. So 15 by 56 we are having. For that multiplicative inverse will be just interchangeable. 56 will go up, 15 will come down. So it is 56 by 15. Clear? Okay. Next we will move to the next problem. Is the 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3, 1 by 3 they are asking. Why? If it is so, why? If it is not so, why not? Both you have to answer. Okay. So first we will convert it as an improper. 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. So for 10 by 3, multiplicative inverse will be what? 3 by 10. This 3 by 10, if you want to convert for an decimal form, it will be what? 0.3. So that is the thing. So 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse. Reason is this only. Clear? Okay. Next we will move to the next line. So the rational numbers that does not have a reciprocal. You have to get the rational number whose reciprocal will not be present. So 0 is the only rational number for which we are not having a reciprocal. Next. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Okay, that is 1 and minus 1 only. Okay. Next, why 1 and minus 1? So for 1, what is the reciprocal? 1 by 1. See? The same thing we are getting. For minus 1, which is the reciprocal? 1 by minus 1. That numbers itself will be the reciprocals. So the rational number that is equal to its negative is 0 only. Okay. So fill in the blanks we are having. Few fill in the blanks. First one, 0 has dash reciprocal, no reciprocal only. Dash are the two, dash are their own reciprocals means I already said 1 and minus 1. So the reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by x where x is not equal to 0 is x. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number only. So the reciprocal of positive rational number is positive only. Okay. So this completes the first exercise. Now next we will be moving how to represent the rational number on a number line. Okay children, that topic we will discuss in the next class.